for public consumption. This is much bigger. Again, we're on. Are we live on all the feeds yet?
We're live on. This is Facebook is live and Twitter or Periscope is live. I'm restarting.
Okay, good. So we're on Twitter. We're on Facebook now. But behind the scenes, we're getting ready to go live in the studio. Everybody left here tonight at like 7 o'clock. But we got the news about 45 minutes ago. We all drove back down here. So we have the limited crew in there getting ready to go live on the satellites and launch the main transmission here. A lot of TV stations just picked up our 24-hour feed. So we're ready to go here.
Make sure Tim is posting this on the /show.
You know, this is 100% them pushing Trump with a raid on his lawyer and the deep state. Because Trump's not a Russian agent, but anybody's lawyer, you're going to be able to find something according to FBI rules that didn't pay taxes right or something. And this is total compromise. And God, I hope all the left and their own personal power trips loves this, a potential nuclear war. I just hope you guys are so proud of yourselves. Again, we're in studio. We're going to go live here on TV here in a few minutes. You're behind the scenes on Facebook and Twitter. Kids in there.
Yeah.
Who's that?
That's Tim. He's making sure the video streams are going out on /show.
Yeah, just live coverage of Trump attack on Syria.
Yeah. I know. This is not good. I mean, we thought we had it. I felt we had turned the corner. I thought we got it.
That zero heads, like I said today.
Oh, yeah. The six.
In fact, print me the article. Six reasons.
Yeah, good grab.
It's so on target.
I will get that.
The thing is this is so wrong, folks. The globalists ganged up on Syria. They sent the jihadis in. They did all of this. And they're behind it all. And they launched the last 3 chemical attacks. And they compromised Trump. It's just, you know, everybody's got their breaking point. And Owen Schroyer, I just saw Owen. You want to get a chair in here on before we go live? Let me tell you, all my bets are on Trump. They are suing me 17 times to stop him. They are trying to destroy my family. I was told, you basically drop all this and stop supporting Trump, you know, and the whole attack on my family, that would stop. I mean, I have given my children up to try to support Trump, killing TPP, doing all this and this. I'm not in a goddamn cult. You're doing great. We're going live in 5 minutes. We'll put your sports check on. A lot of viewers for this. Thanks for coming in, Owen. No, it's all right. You're good. We're not going live yet. We're only on this feed. This is the military-industrial complex. This is the same crap happened with Hitler or the Soviets. I mean, you got a bunch of power and weapons that you got to take over everywhere. The damn rebels are Al-Qaeda and ISIS. Our own government funded them to take over the Middle East from Libya to Egypt to Syria, and Assad is pro-diversity, pro-religious freedom. They stood up. They beat it. The Russians were pulling out. And then Trump says a week ago he's pulling out of Syria, and then they start this crap. And they go, sir, we've raided your offices. We know about, 20 years ago, where you paid Atlantic City $100,000 at your casino. That's what they did. They grabbed his lawyer's documents. And none of it's even corruption, but for the FBI, they can say, oh, you didn't say that was a... They got it. They rolled Trump. And he didn't stand up the moment of truth. Donald Trump shit his fucking pants at the fucking moment of truth and shit all over everybody. That's my first approximation. I'm not in a fucking cult for Donald Trump. Fuck him. Fuck his family. Fuck all these people. All right, see, I shouldn't even be live right now. When are we going on the fucking saddle?
Bumbaclaw, yo, people, wanna hear this? Yo, Alex Jones, listen this again carefully.
Cult for Donald Trump. Fuck him. Fuck his family. Fuck all these people. All right, see, I shouldn't even be allowed right now.
Bomba
20 years
clot.
ago, where you paid Atlantic City $100,000 a year casino. That's what they did. They grabbed his lawyer's documents. And none of it's even corruption, but according to the FBI, they can say, oh, you didn't say that was a...
So yo, let me break this down real quick for anybody that didn't understand his accent or what he's trying to say, right? For my Jamaican diaspora. He's basically saying that raid that took place on Trump's lawyer, Cohen, pretty much the FBI raided him office the other day. Just, I guess them see some documents. So Alex Jones saying they probably found some documents with some shady shit that went on out there while Trump was running casinos in Vegas and all this, you know what I mean? Plus, bear in mind, he never submitted a tax return when everybody there asked for it when he might run for president. So then probably find something incriminating inside of that attorney's office, which is where Alex had talked about.
They got it. They rolled Trump. And he didn't stand up at the moment of truth. Donald Trump shit his fucking pants at the fucking moment of truth and shit all over everybody. That's my first.
By the way, I never heard this guy cuss before. Never. I've been listening to this dude for years. I'ma never hear the man say the F word before.
We know about, 20 years ago, where you paid Atlantic City $100,000 a year casino. That's what they did. They grabbed his lawyer's documents. And none of it's even corruption, but according to the FBI, they can say, oh, you didn't say that was a... They got it. They rolled Trump. And he didn't stand up at the moment of truth. Donald Trump shit his fucking pants at the fucking moment of truth and shit all over everybody. That's my first approximation. I'm not in a fucking cult for Donald Trump. Fuck him. Fuck his family. Fuck all these people. Alright, see, I shouldn't even be like that now. When are we going on the fucking satellite?
Bomba clot!
What the fuck?
Bomba clot! Yo! Let me close my window, them people. Give me like 2 seconds. John, let's do Yo! This is some good shit right here, man. Yo, my people. Everybody thinks that Alex Jones is an act. You see what man say? Them man is an act. You see it? Them man is what you call a patriotic, passionate American.
Fuck! Is there nobody fucking pure in this goddamn fucking world? Fucking damn it, man. What the fuck? Is there nobody fucking loud right now? When are we going on the fucking satellite? God fucking damn it, man. What the fuck? Is there nobody fucking pure in this goddamn fucking world? See, now I'm fucking pissed right now. Syria fought Al Qaeda, they fought ISIS, they fought it all. And now you got Mattis and fucking all these people shitting all over us. And the goddamn fucking liberal fascists censoring us everywhere the last 2 days. We did an emergency fucking 36-hour broadcast trying to stop this shit that could lead to World War III. And you fucking liberal pieces of fucking shit, you fucking assholes, fucking support this. Fuck you, you fucking goddamn degenerate fucks. And fucking Mueller and fucking Comey and fuck you. Every major analyst, see, I shouldn't be on there right now. Every analyst agrees this could trigger World War III unlike anything in our history. And the Russians were the good guys battling ISIS and Al Qaeda. I am not a Russophile. I've never been to Russia. But I've studied the geopolitics. They are the white knights. And our military 5 years ago joining the Russians to block Obama and the Arab Spring and do the right thing, did the right thing. And now, Mattis and the chairman of the Joint Chiefs and Trump have shit from end to end all over.
Yeah, the man said, the man named shit from end to end.
And don't think they don't know. I mean, my God, Fast and Furious was Obama shipping guns into Mexico to transship them in the Middle East. Benghazi was all about this. I am.
May have some internet complications, people. Please bear with me.
was all about this. I am. Trump was.
Yeah, so let me go and talk while the video progressing. So like man tell you, this is like the developments this weekend. We're in the weekend of the 15th of April. And these are the breaking and developing news in the regard to Russia, Syria, and the United States.
So on target, everything he did. And I will leave 10% judgment here to see what happens. My first approximation is, my pledge to you is, I'm going to shoot you straight on Facebook and Twitter. And I am sick to my stomach right now. And Mattis looks like a fucking Emperor Palpatine. When that cocksucker knows full fucking well that Al-Qaeda and ISIS staged all those fucking chemical attacks, and now they're blaming it on the goddamn motherfucking I shouldn't be on there right now. When the fuck are we going live? I can't do this shit anymore. Fuck Trump and fuck these fucking people.
Bomba
At a certain point,
Club!
man, I'm sick of all you fucking liberals and mainlanders. You're a bunch of cowardly fucks. You're not Americans. What's going on? Mainlanders, you're a bunch of cowardly.
Hey, Alex Jones are the representation of where a bad boy, white boy look like, you know. Real country fried redneck bad boy this year look one, you understand?
At a certain point, man, I'm sick of all you fucking liberals and mainlanders. You're a bunch of cowardly fucks. You're not Americans. What's going on? Okay. Should we shut these feeds down and delete those? And I'm gonna try to control myself. Dude, just shut those feeds down and restart them, okay?
Okay.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. More videos to come.